How to use tags on Instagram in posts, stories, captions, and comments. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram. If you're looking to tag on your post, go ahead and create your post as you normally would. Once you're at the posting stage, you'll see Tag People. Click on Tag People and then click on Add Tag. Type in the username of the person that you want to tag and then click on their name. You can tap the photo on where you want to place your name. If you want to show their profile category, click on Show Profile Category. So you can continue this and tag as many people as you like. When you're done, click on the tick mark at the top right corner. If you want to tag someone in the caption, tap on it. First type @ symbol and then type in their username. Search for their username and then click on it when you find it. Now if you're tagging someone in their caption, the post won't appear in their tagged. However, they will be notified that they were tagged. If you want to tag someone in a post you have already posted, go to your profile, click on the post that you want to tag them, click on the three dots, and then click on Edit. You can tag someone through the caption by typing @ and their name. You can also click on this person icon at the left corner and then type in the person that you want to tag. If you want to tag someone in their comment, click on the comment and first type @ and then type out their username, and you'll be able to tag them. Now this won't appear in their feed, but they will be notified that they have been tagged. If you want to tag someone in a story, first create your story. Once you're at the editing portion, click on this letter. First type @ or you can also click on mention and then type out their username. Select their profile. Now you can change the font and color and layout as well. Once you're done editing the text, click on done. They'll be notified that they have been mentioned in the story, and they'll have the option to add it in their own story as well. So this is how to tag someone on Instagram in posts, stories, caption, and comments. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.